do you think about Natalia's song?
Oh, I think it's beautiful. She's very talented. It's a really sweet song. She sings it great. I love it.
Natalia, you have already listened to Straight Into Love?
Yes, I did. I think it's a great up-tempo song, like you said. And I like it a lot. It's really nice just to listen to, dance to it also, so it's great.
Will we get points from Slovenia this year?
I don't see why not. I think it's very possible. Absolutely. Yeah. Will we get points from Austria?
In return, maybe?
Yeah, that'd be great.
I'm sure you've already been to Austria.
Of course, yes, many times, many times. I love Austria, especially in the ski season. I go all the time to Obertower and Nassfeld. It's really beautiful there. I'm there all the time. Yeah, it's great.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Nice to meet you.
Oh, so once again, please. Okay, that's great.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Enjoy.